It's such a beautiful sunset, and then I got to be in Ew! Mayo, did you pick up the egg you spilt when you was collecting the eggs by the chickens?
No, Luigi, no I did not. That's your mess to clean up.
No, it ain't. You spilt it. How is it my mess?
I gotta go watch some Spoodleman, Luigi.
Spoodleman? Seriously, you still watch that baby channel?
It's not for babies. Part of the, whatchamacallit, soccer. Anyway, here, you take this bag and we soccer, okay?
I'm suffocating.
Luigi. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh man!
I just got to something sticky, Mayo.
Oh!
Mayo, get up.
Oh man!
Mayo, that's glass. You should have picked
this stupid dumb egg.
As I was saying, it's a beautiful.
Shut up!